I always knew I wanted to do engineering, so I applied to like civil and mechanical as well and stuff like that, and then naval architecture, and I hadn't really heard about it. But there was just something to me that seemed quite appealing about something that seemed a bit more applied and a bit more niche.
I did a bit of my own research into the university, and I found out that naval architecture, it's the best in the country, and it's the department's top 10 in the world.
My name is Saishai Dai, also known as David Dai. I'm a senior lecturer in the Department of Naval Architecture, Ocean and Marine Engineering, and also I'm the director of our Kelvin hydrodynamics laboratory. We have fantastic state-of-the-art facilities available in the department.
The facilities are amazing. We've got the Kelvin hydrodynamics lab.
So within this laboratory, we have 3 distinct test facilities. One is a large towing tank. Apart from that, we have a compact 3D wave tank dedicated for teaching purpose. With transparent glass wall, students will be able to observe what's happening inside the water much better. And then we have one very niche test facility, the fully turbulence flow cell.
Every year we have had at least one sort of project where we've been able to come to the hydrodynamics lab. You design a container ship vessel, but then you actually get to come down here and build it and race it against everyone else in your class. And it's really good to be able to apply that learning.
To me, the most important thing is the environment and culture in the department. All the staff, academic, admin, supporting staff are extremely friendly to me when I was a student.
Definitely exceeded my expectations, especially on the side of the staff being helpful. They really do want you to succeed, and they do go out their way to help you with that.
It's a fantastic community in the department. The community is relatively small.
Your lectures and stuff like that and like labs are like in such small groups, and you can kind of have that connection with your lecturer as well as everyone around you. And I think that's it really enhances your learning and the experience I've had.
In the department, we have a very friendly environment, provides whatever support we can offer to students.
And I definitely think that's again to do with this kind of nicheness and the smallness of the department is even if you were walking down the street, your lecturers actually know who you are, and I think that kind of creates a better support network. We've got some industry advisors as well, which is really cool because we're able to kind of not stay within just the department.
Roughly speaking, 50% of the fourth-year student projects will be funded or supported by industry companies, whereby the student's project idea is inspired or given by industrial partners.
It's been so helpful. We've been looking at one aspect of something, and the department's put us in contact with somebody from DNV or Oldendorf Shipping Centre and stuff like that, who've all been really helpful.
Strathclyde put on a lot of conferences where you can network with people who are already in the industry. So you're already getting an insight into how the industry works. You can get to talk to companies before you even graduate.
Students will have the opportunity to understand the company's research capabilities or what they are doing during daily normal business.
There was an opportunity to go to China with my dissertation advisor. It was good to make connections out there, speak to other people in the industry, other academics.
I did a naval architecture internship at BAE Systems in Scotland, and then that summer just there I was at BAE in Govan as a manufacturing engineer. So in September I'm going back to BAE to start their graduate scheme, and I love to kind of be able to apply the naval architecture side from uni and a kind of manufacturing sense for the naval ships.
Laboratory facility is very scarce in universities. Not many universities have such a large-scale facility, so by embedding lab testings into students' curriculums, when they graduate, they will have plenty of experience of performing tank testing, and those kind of skills can improve their chance of getting a job.
I think the university is great, and I think this department as well specifically is great, and if anyone was even considering it, I'd absolutely recommend them to do it. And I'm so glad that of all the engineerings I applied to, this is the one I chose.